Me salon fambu de una couche una kabo. This na una baba. Joseph Dima. Me fambu de Dima the Great don't come na ya today to can expose the APC Tolongbo Toge Pambodi. The APC Tolongbo Toge Pambodi. The Tifman Party. The Mamikos Party. The party were not better for that country day. The party where don't halaki mama salon. The party where anytime when they come back na power, the people their life and they go, and they fall, and they deform, and they go deplorable. Me fambo then. My name is Joseph Dima. Me fambo then. Then two IMP then, two thief man them. Where you don't see them so. The one way team up so with a belly day before I'm just like saying a frog. Now I don't fashion inside a belly. The other one where you see it is smile so, where it don't drink tea, it don't chuck until a face self don't go. Where you see a face like highway to the grave. Kamalo Kamara. The man where lie say na Kamalo na de come out, which of course not to Kamalo he come out. Na intata na de in come out, in fact. For that matter, na de he come out. E can lie say he don't open farm, na Wusa he come out, na Kamalo bona lie. He don't able open nothing for himself. Man we don't serve in various government them. Where they don't thief salon money them. At the end of the day, no able do nothing. When they say today, show me what do you do for the people that salon, they're not able to show up. Then this other Samsumana, where another man, you don't know himself, you don't know who done himself, but APC go show up Pepe. And I him up say APC where you shake Sori Bagbati, EBK, one of the most biggest IMP thief man who will get inside salon history, where very soon again for going to jail, they get for locking up. You know, Amy talk say that man they don't come with Ebola in that country to can't keep people them. So of course, in that investigation they done, then that man they deserve for going to jail. Because a man the way they be don't talk say, they don't count Ebola. And in be the VP at that time, they count Ebola to can kill the people then in Sierra Leone, to can destroy Sierra Leone, to can kill Mama Sierra Leone go be. Yeah? So then IMP, they see that they can't team up together and they hate the harm up. Where their whole life, they don't get nothing when they depend on a politics no more. Then if say by only doing that, when they come back to politics, to power, they come back to power, they can't thief Salon money. Where Brigadier Julius Maada Bio, tactical commander, the man who don't can take Sierra Leone from behind the enemy lines. It don't bring Sierra Leone. Sierra Leone now today we don't begin get value now the world. Then so desperate now to can't destroy Sierra Leone for let Sierra Leone go back beyond. But we, the people of Sierra Leone, we say no. You know, we know they happen. We know they accept her today. We know they accept her tomorrow. Will they accept? What will they accept and what will stand for? Now development. Now make President Bio say, him a capital development. Vote for development. Not vote for regionalism. Not vote for tribalism. Because the APC Tolongbo Toge Pambodi, what he then they own preaching, now hate messages there. That they can't weapon them. That they can't ammunition them, intimidation, UN go pathway. These are their messages. But we, the Sierra Leoneans, we know they bow down for that crap then they. We know they bow down for them nonsense then they. Me fambo then. My name Nadima. Me fambo then. I don't go na the ground. I then at the ground. I don't see situation the way Maada Bio they do. This APC Tolongbo Toge Pambodi don't destroy Mama Sierra Leone for so long. They don't make Sierra Leone don't go bien. But today we tell God for Brigadier, where they can make Salon don't become very beautiful, attractive, and sexy. Now they can show the legacy of the APC misguided rule after they don't rule that country for how many years. What did they do to the country? They your place inside the come Tonko Limbao, inside the North, where they be when I your stronghold, they don't do nothing. They abandon and neglect them. President Biona don't come now right now. They don't begin show face. Who say where if he pose, they don't go there. They don't make pose, then they go there. But for now, when I watch APC 11-year legacy, yeah.
From Masimbi for go Sibarana, 18 miles, bra. The transport now 50,000. So we not reach 10,000 transport. 1 hour, some minutes now they take so on this line. Yeah, if the government not sorry for we no problem. Let them for life we are. Then they get high vote then I be APC, BSLPP, they consider now people then they fit themselves for them. If the government not consider we this vote where they can, we not see ballot box then now.
Ladies and gentlemen, once more, noble citizens of this country, now the legacy this, where the APC left for the Limba man, and the development this, where APC bring come for the Limba man for over 38 years, where APC don't rule this country. When you think of Limba, you think of APC. Look what is going on at the Tsonko-Limba highway. Look how deplorable the roads are. Look how everything there. Motorcar and the fasting, people and the punish. For waiting, we can't understand. This road, don't they from time immemorial. When the Limba man, they die and dying for APC. They're not able to do nothing at this road. Look how deplorable everything is. Citizens of this country, noble Sierra Leone, una go call this road. This is a diverted area. You know, where even another motorcar don't fasten there. Look how people in the struggle. In the hands of APC. Then now they go and tell we say, then they work for this country. Look how ungrateful this party is. How ungrateful the people of APC are. Look this road. Limba man where they die for APC. Look the suffering where they take place. Well, tell me true. What if you just said don't go pull na the city? When no go cost money na yaso? Where the Limba man don't go suffer? Tell me whose provision the leaders they make for the people of Tsonko, for the Limba people them. Tell me, look road. Look that kind of situation here. It go fine. So I take them for the people of Sierra Leone and the world as a whole see the kind of developments where APC bring come for them young people where they die for them. As then see. I stop here for this moment. This is not the road. Take me alongside. Shortly. This is not the road. Where they talk of. And the development this.
Now, when I don't see all then APC 11-year misguided regime, how they pull Salome behind. Now, I tell una say, I encourage una all for continue to hate APC. When I not more vote, when I no more, when I not vote for APC. Yeah, this na number 10. This na we want best President Bio, where he don't come to transform the nation. Now this man, anybody where team up behind him, una for vote for him. They want them where they behind APC Tolongbo Toge Pambody. Una vote against them. 2024 election. Yeah, President Bio, this Ronaldo, yeah, we Ronaldo will get to Sabi school, yeah, President Bio, na una for vote for, yeah, me fambo then, una share, let God bless Mama Sierra Leone. This na SLPP Bobo.